Bok choy. When selecting your bok choy, you want to make sure that the stems are firm with little to no blemishes, while the leaves are vibrant green and not wilted. A great way to cook bok choy is whole or sliced right down the middle. I also like to separate the leaves and stems like so, and these leaves can be sauteed in a pan with other vegetables as a stir fry. We then want to slice off the root, and our stems can then be removed. Once we get down to a certain point, we'll have this inner root which we can remove to separate the remaining stems. Now one technique is to stack and slice like so. And these are perfect to use in a salad. You can also slice in half to saute and then toss in a sauce. We can also julienne and then brunoise to incorporate into a diced vegetable salad. These little stems here can be pickled and used as a garnish. And that is how you break down bok choy.